My year-end project is about bridging the gap between small-scale manufacturing and mass manufacturing and leveraging rotocasting as a means to do so. So I'm using it to create speaker housings where it's a hollow object and it could be something that could be reproducible. In the case of the speaker, you need a pair. So that's what I'm using to showcase the rotational casting method. I'd like to go and work for a design firm and try to look at sustainability practices and human-centered design, and then beyond that I would like to have my own design practice. So one of the things that stands out to me is we do have studio culture, so it's a very different experience than what you would have at a normal university setting, and so you do make really close bonds and friends throughout being in the studio all the time.